to my channel. And if no one told you they loved you today or cared about you, I love you and I care about you. And if you don't have no friends, I'm your friend, okay? And today's video will be exactly what the title says, taking out these spring twists. Without further ado, here we go. You will need like a little comb. You can use this one. I found that this one works along with this one, so both of these work pretty good together. So I do this to detangle my hair. I'll show you directly out of the twist. This I detangle large sections, so once I've taken out a couple, I then go back and I use this to detangle. All right, so please know where your hair is. I know where my hair is. I do know because I can feel down where it seems to be a little frizzy, and then where it seems to get a little thinner at, I know exactly where my hair is in terms of length. But if you don't know, approximate and then go down a little bit so that you make sure you do not cut your hair. Boom, we didn't come here for a trim. We came here to retain length, hence the protective style. All right. Be careful, if you're gonna use it again, do not cut it. But if you aren't going to use it again, for this, so in my case, this is matted, so I'm not using it again, forget it. If you want to use it in the crochet style again, you can if you want, but I'm not going to be doing that this time around. Always, you don't want to start from the top and then comb down, because you'll have a lot of knots and you'll end up taking a lot of hair out on your way down. So you want to start at the bottom and detangle as you go up. Should get easier. And there you go. Put this up for a minute so you guys can see. All right, guys. So as you can see, okay, from this point of my hair, from this point down, right, this piece was in the twist. From here up was exposed, so this right here is a little matted, looks kind of hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this up before I go and actually comb through it, because this is going to allow the comb to go through it a little bit better. So your finger detangling where it's the most matted, essentially. Boom. Different places, so different ones in your hair will require you to detangle more or less. I have found how much hair is in the braid or twist, how long you've had the twist in, how and where it's located. So if it's embedded between multiple twists and it's constantly embedded, it may be a little bit more matted. If it's along the sides where you are just pulling it up and it really isn't interacting with many other twists, such as this one right here, then it may not be as matted. But it just depends. Take my wide tooth comb and I just comb it out. Boom. And keep it moving. So what you're gonna see me do now is cut the remainder of my hair so they are all short, so that I can just boom, 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 and get them done and over with, because I'm ready to get this out of my head. Give me with my little spring twist bob. Y'all, this hairstyle resembles one of the actors off Living Single. How she used to wear her hair. Who I look like, y'all? Comment below. But I'm low key. Look, this might not be a style for everybody, but I'm low key feeling it. I'm like it in the middle. No, that's a no go. But I'm finished. My hair is out. I am so excited. Woo, Yes, that's all I can say. It is dry because it's flaking and stuff, so it's dry. I don't have much in it right now, nothing at all in my hair at all. Ooh, but I got a little bit of wave. Bop, bop. I will be using the Can2 Clarify and Renew Hair and Scalp Mask. It says that it is to remove buildup and impurities, leaving hair and scalp purified and moisturized. It is made with pure shea butter. Can2 reveals your real, authentic beauty. Embrace your curly, coily, or wavy hair with Can2. It's supposed to have no minerals, sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, gluten, paraffin, or propylene glycol. Propylene glycol. I should know this. I'm a bio major. Come on, y'all. So it says massage the packet to activate. Apply generously to clean, damp hair, beginning at ends and work towards your scalp. Massage into the scalp for added scalp benefits. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with cool water, revealing soft, nourished strands and revitalized scalp. So it does say use on clean hair. I'm not doing it because I really want to deep condition my hair before I put anything else in my hair. This is the spray bottle I have with peppermint oil because I love what it does for my scalp. And this is the Clarify and Renew hair mask, and it is also made with bentonite clay. You can pick this up anywhere from your beauty supply store. They sell these little packets, these little sample packets at different places, usually at your beauty supply store. All right, guys, I say damp your hair when you put in different stuff on it, and especially when it's coming out of braids or anything like that, because you don't really want to be too rough on your hair in its dry state, because it's dry, you know what I mean? It's not elastic. Your hair bends better when it's wet, in my opinion. No science backing that up right now, but or that I have read, I should say. But you know, I definitely feel like, see, it just is so much better when it's wet. It just, you see that, y'all? That's a whole different type of hair. What? That's a whole different type of hair back there. And it's just a little bit wet. Comb glide right through it. Don't even need no deep condition. Try to disperse it so you have more surface area on your hands, more of the product on your hands, so you can touch more of your hair and get more in your hair at one time. Show y'all what it looked like. Dirty, right? And I don't know about everyone else, but I don't bother to wash my hair in certain styles. Just talking, because I just don't. I mean, I've never been a fan. I mean, my hair sweats and it gets frizzy, so I don't understand how people are able to keep their hair not frizzing out of their stuff. Washing it. I mean, I don't know. Because, you know, sweat is, you know, it's liquid, and I mean, I get that it's mixed with some other minerals and stuff, but at the end of the day, if my hair frizzes off with a little bit of sweat, I can imagine drenching it in the shower and what that would look like, you know? But if there's some tips that I don't know about and I'm tripping and I'm just totally uneducated about it, then please feel free to let me know. But I have a hard time thinking about that. I'm still talking, but just for a little bit. I do think this is important to do after you have braids in for a wig. I think this is important for you to do when you take out braids for a period of time, when you do protective styles. I think it's important to, you know, moisturize your hair, and I also think it's important to deep condition your hair. Maybe not as often. Hey, your hair requires what your hair requires. You kind of got to play around with it and figure out, you know, what works best for your hair. Not everybody needs to deep condition every month, like some suggest, with no research. You know, I feel like you know what's best for your hair. When your hair feels brittle, you know, you got to figure out what's best to revitalize it. And that revitalizing process, I guess. Revitalizing process, you know, may be different for you, me, and the next to the next. A lot of people in this community, in the natural hair community, they say a lot of things, but I feel like those things are based on what other people think and not based on fact. You know, and so what does the research say? You don't want to see what the research says. What are the scientists doing? You know, why is grease not good for your hair? And, you know, why are these things that used to be beneficial to our scalps, why are they no longer used? But that's another question, right? Don't attack me, just asking. You know, you find, you know, different ways of using things. You know, once I'm done deep conditioning, I'm going to put it back in a ponytail, because I have homework to do, and part of my homework is going to be creating videos. I have to show myself. So I can't be showing myself with a cap on while this marinates. But as soon as I finish my videos, I'm gonna take these out and then I will put in a cap so that it can, you know, do its thing for a little bit longer. So now, after this, no more talking. Y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. I wish y'all the best in everything that y'all are doing. And again, thank you for visiting me and watching me talk and do my hair. All right, y'all. Continue to watch, and yeah. Y'all, so here it is. Hair is definitely deep conditioned, and it's deep conditioned, and at this point I'm gonna let this sit in here. It says leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with cool water, revealing soft, nourished strands and a revitalized scalp. Well, you know, guys, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it in for a little over that time, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna do a light shampoo after, and then I'm going to do a condition. And when I say light shampoo, I'm gonna do a light shampoo. I may put a little bit of shampoo in my hair immediately once I start to wash it, and mix with the deep conditioner so that I don't have to use a lot, and then I can just go ahead and massage my scalp and really good and do that. And then again, you know, put a light conditioner, and that's it. And then I'll style. I'm probably gonna wear my hair in a little ponytail tomorrow, so I would only need to put my hair in about 4 braids. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm just gonna braid them down, and my hair should be dry in the morning. I'll take it out. I usually put grease in my hair, just so you know. I usually put grease in it, and I use Blue Magic, and it is a not the blue one. It is like an olive oil one, and I really like it. It smells so good. It makes my hair so soft, and I've been seeing a huge result with actually using grease in my hair. So from not using grease to using grease, I won't stop using it at this point. It's the best thing for my hair, and it makes my hair super soft and moisturized, and I don't have to worry about my hair breaking off. So I'm super excited about that discovery, and hopefully you guys can be open-minded and try it too. So that's all I really have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I made you laugh. I hope that, you know, if you was having a bad day, watching me kind of, and, you know, improved your day a little bit. You know, that's what I strive to do. Please don't mind the deep conditioner under my nails. I am going to wash it out, you know. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll be back with some different hair videos at another time. So thank you again. Like the video if you liked it. Comment something sweet, a heart, or anything, and don't forget to subscribe to support. You know, gotta support each other. Love you guys. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a great, phenomenal day. Peace.